When you're on the hunt for the best ice cream maker, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy photos. But to find the real gems that whip up delicious treats, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Ninja Creami NC301. Let's kick things off with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. This compact machine caught my eye not just for its sleek silver design but also for its versatility, priced at $199.95. If you want to make frozen treats like gelato or milkshakes at home, this is worth a serious look. The Ninja Creami opens the door to endless customization. With 7 one-touch programs, you can choose your treat, from ice cream to smoothies, in just a few clicks. It has a powerful 800-watt motor that ensures a creamy texture every time, which is essential for anyone who's tired of icy, chunky homemade ice cream. Plus, it comes with 2-pint containers, so you can make multiple batches to satisfy everyone's cravings. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get to control every ingredient, whether you're going low sugar or vegan. Now, some users mention that the machine can be a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, it's not the quietest appliance. But if you're making ice cream, a little noise is probably the last thing on your mind, right? This is perfect for you if you want a versatile ice cream maker that can whip up a variety of frozen treats quickly. Skip this one if you're looking for a large capacity machine for big gatherings though. Ultimately, for the price, you get a lot of value for your money. Now, if the price of the Ninja Creami seems a bit steep, the next product might be more wallet-friendly while still delivering great results. Product number 2, Ninja Creami NC299. Next up is another Ninja Creami model, the NC299, priced at $199.99. Like its sibling, this machine also has a striking black finish and offers similar features. If you're after a compact, easy-to-use ice cream maker, this might just be your perfect match. The 800-watt motor ensures that your treats come out creamy and smooth, essential for those who dislike icy, uneven textures. And just like the NC301, the NC299 has 7 one-touch programs that make it incredibly easy to use. Here's why this matters for you. You can impress friends and family with custom flavors without spending hours in the kitchen. However, some reviews pointed out that the included pint container is only 16 ounces, which may not be enough for larger families or gatherings. Here's the thing though, if you're just making ice cream for yourself or a couple of friends, this small size is actually a benefit. It keeps the treats fresh without waste. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward machine that makes delicious ice cream without fuss. Skip this one if you're hosting big parties and need a larger capacity. For the price, it offers solid performance and lots of fun. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a classic approach. Product number 3, Cuisinart Ice 30 BCP1. Now let's talk about the Cuisinart Ice 30 BCP1, which is a fan favorite at just $88.99. This brushed chrome beauty is not only affordable but also easy to use. If you want a no-fuss maker that churns out delicious ice cream quickly, this is worth a serious look. What makes it special is its double-insulated freezer bowl, meaning you don't have to pre-freeze anything. Just mix your ingredients, pour in, and let the machine do its magic. This convenience is key when you're craving something sweet without a long wait. However, some users expressed frustration that the bowl can be heavy and a bit cumbersome to handle. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, the results are consistently delicious, and honestly, that's what you're really looking for, right? This is perfect for you if you want something straightforward and efficient without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or customizable settings. For the price, you really can't beat the value here. If the Cuisinart simplicity appeals to you, but you want something with a vintage flair, then the next option is definitely for you. Product number 4, Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. Next, we have the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker, which channels some serious retro vibes at $75.46. This lovely lightwood model not only looks great but can churn out up to 4 quarts of ice cream. If you're in the mood for nostalgia and want to make a large batch, this is worth considering. With its powerful electric motor, you can whip up your favorite treats in just minutes. The Nostalgia Maker is designed for family fun. It's kid-friendly and allows everyone to join in on the ice cream making process. Plus, you can create everything from gelato to soft serve. Why is this significant? Because it opens up the possibility for family bonding while satisfying sweet cravings. However, some users mention that it can take a bit of time to get the consistency just right. I get it, but honestly, for a fun family activity and the capacity it offers, this isn't really a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're looking to make large batches and want a fun family activity. Skip this one if you need a quick solo-making machine. For the price, it's a great way to create memories and delicious treats. Finally, if you love the vintage style but want a more budget-friendly option, my last pick might just hit the spot. Product number 5, Nostalgia Electric Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Last but definitely not least, we have the Nostalgia Electric Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker, priced at just $39.99. This blue beauty is not only affordable but also incredibly fun. If you want to create quick frozen treats that are portable and easy to use, this is worth your time. This ice cream maker produces up to 4 quarts of homemade ice cream, frozen yogurt, or gelato in just about 20 minutes. The powerful motor does the churning for you so you can sit back and enjoy the process. The handle makes it easy to transport, perfect for parties or barbecues. Here's what makes this matter for you. You can make soft serve just like you get at the fair right from your kitchen. However, some users mentioned it doesn't handle larger batches as well as the more expensive models. I hear that, but honestly, for the price and the fun factor, this is perfect for casual gatherings and kids' parties. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy option for making soft-serve treats. Skip this one if you're looking for professional quality ice cream making. For the price, it's a great buy for fun family desserts. So here's a quick recap. We started with the Ninja CREAMi NC301 for those who want versatility, then the Ninja CREAMi NC299, perfect for simplicity. The Cuisinart Ice 30 BCP1 offers great value, while the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker brings fun and family time into the mix. Finally, the Nostalgia Soft Serve Maker is your go-to for quick and portable treats. No matter your needs, there's an ice cream maker here for everyone.